Namaste. Hello from Oneworld Retreats, Bali. I would like to show you how to do Sun Salutation or Surya Namaskara on chair. This is for you that have been long time not practicing yoga asana, and also for you have some limitation or weakness on your arm, on your shoulder. We will use the chair. Choose the chair that's strong but simple enough, like this folding chair. Yeah? And the way how you put the chair is facing towards you, and the way you're standing is not too close, neither too far, enough for you to put your hand on your chair. You start with standing, not far from your chair. And then inhale, raise your arm up. Exhale, leaning forward. Without bending your knee, look forward and place your hand on your chair, look down. Inhale, look forward, spread your arm, step back. Look forward, inhale, exhale. This is full plank pose on the chair. But if you still have weakness on your lower tummy or on your lower back, slightly pull your tailbone up. And then after this, when you do chaturanga, bending the elbow just slightly, not full chaturanga, slightly bend your elbow, and then from here come into up face dog. Look, my toes, my feet, I push my feet slightly forward, opening the chest. Look up to the ceiling, squeezing your buttock. Remember squeezing your buttock to protect your lower back. And then from here, when you come to down facing dog, adjust your shoulder, move your hand, keep your inner arm facing to each other, and then open your feet slightly. And in here, you can see, you can check your shoulder. If your ear still touching your upper arm, that means your shoulder not open enough. But if you letting your ear, your upper arm away from your ear, you will able to open fully your chest, your shoulder, you relaxing your shoulder and slightly pull your tailbone up. After you breath, look forward, inhale, step forward, legs straight, exhale, look down. Inhale, look forward, open your arm without bending your knee, coming up in praying position. Exhale, put your hand on your chest and close your eyes for a few breaths. I will do full flow, and let's start. So from here, inhale, raise your arm up. Exhale, leaning forward, look forward, put your hand on your chair, look down. Inhale, look forward, step back in plank pose. Exhale, push down chaturanga. Inhale, push your toes back, stretch your arm, squeeze your buttock, look up to the ceiling, pull your tailbone. Exhale, come in down facing dog. Adjust your feet, stay for 5 breaths. Open your shoulder, breathe. Look forward, inhale, step forward, legs straight. Exhale, look down. Inhale, up. Exhale, your hand in praying position in the front of your chest. Close your eyes, take deep breath. So it was Sun Salutation, simple and easy Sun Salutation using chair for you that have some limitation, and you can practice. You can practice every day, 3, 5, cycle of Sun Salutation, doing Sun Salutation, it's good to open your joint and letting your blood circulation flowing better. And for you who familiar with chakra, one sequence, if you repeated the sequence, it will help to open your chakra. So from Bali, I would like to say Namaste.